Assalamualaikum, Hafsa Mubashir here. There is always more room to grow. There is always more knowledge to gain. And there is always more skills to perfect. We are never done with our education system. It's going on throughout the life. Education is the part of path to the wealth. Education and learning is the part of path to the health. Just build your ambition and stick to your path and एक minute.
You know, it's all cramming. You're using Herbalife. उनकी company का नाम था Herbalife. Yeah, you said Herbalife at one point, no?
No.
Okay, carry on then.
Sorry.
Okay, please.
There is always more room to grow. There is always more knowledge to gain. And there is always more skills to perfect.
Good.
Education is a part of paths to the wealth. Education and learning is a part of paths to the health. But continued education in a wrong way can turn you down. So just gather up your knowledge, build your ambition, keep your morale up, stick to your path despite of any hurdles and obstacles. Because the key to success is to focus on the goal, not on the obstacles. Thank you so much.
Okay, it's all very good. Why are you nervous today? You're always very confident. Okay, no worries. Thank you. You're the last one, then we have a